Hey guys, it's me Jai Pawar Randhir and thank you so much for watching Treats and Travels. Today's video is Mother's Day special, so today I am showing you how to make mango ice cream. My mom really loves mango ice cream, so this video is specially for her. Now let's see the ingredients. For this video or for this recipe, we will need heavy whipping cream, then we will need condensed milk, and we are making mango ice cream, so that's why we will need mango pulp or chopped mango. Now take one bowl and I'm adding 2 cups of heavy whipping cream in this bowl. So after that we have to whip this cream, and for that you can use electrical blender or hand blender as well, but here today I am using electrical blender. We have to whip this cream. We have to whip this cream until stiff peaks are just about to form. Until that you have to beat this cream. We'll see. It's not yet. So we have to whip this cream for some more time. We are almost there, but we didn't get any stiff peak because that cream is running out. After this, whip this cream only for 10 seconds or so, not more than that, and you will get stiff peak. If stiff peak is not there, then you have to whip this cream for 10 more seconds, like that. Now we got the stiff peak. Now I will be adding half tin of condensed milk in this. Now we have to mix this really well, so use your electrical blender for 10 to 15 seconds only. Make sure your whipping cream is not getting curdled. Now we are adding 3/4 cup of mango pulp. For more fresh and brighter color, you can use food color. Here I am adding orange color in it. After this, I am adding 3 to 4 drops of Alfonso mango essence. So these two ingredients are optional, color and essence. If you want to add it, then you can add it. If you want to skip it, you can skip. Flavor will be beautiful only because it's mango ice cream. After this, we have to mix this well. Then we have to close the lid and freeze this mixture for 6 to 7 hours, and after that you will get ice cream. Now important tip. Take out this bowl or box after 1 hour and you have to mix this really well. Again you have to keep this box in freezer, and again after 1 hour take out this box and again mix this well. Then freeze this for 5 hours. Because of doing this you will get soft crystal free mango ice cream. And at the end of this video, Happy Mother's Day ID, अहो आई आणि माझ्या मावशांना आणि काकूला मदर्स डेच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. If you like this mango ice cream recipe, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe. If you want to know any other such recipes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And until next video, तुमचा आमचा अन्नदाता सुखी भव.